Very good morning, dear students. Welcome to English class. Yes, students, today we will learn about past continuous tense. So, let's learn. First of all, let us read the following sentences. I was dancing when he entered the room. We were taking dinner when the lights went out. Mr. Basu was running after the bus. The next is you were doing your homework when they came. She was shopping when I met her. They were jumping when the teacher entered the class. Yes, students, all the above sentences are in the past continuous tense. This tense is used to indicate that the action was in progress in the past. This tense is used to indicate that the action was in progress in the past when something else happened. When something else happened, like I was dancing when he entered the room. In this sentence, two actions are going to happen. First, when he entered the room, I was dancing. Is it clear? We use past continuous tense to talk about things that were happening at a particular time in the past. We use past continuous tense to talk about things that were happening at a particular time in the past. Like we were flying kites all afternoon. Were flying, it is an action. All afternoon. All afternoon means particular time. It is a particular time and the action was going on that particular time. All afternoon. Next is when I met Paul. He was carrying a big box. When I met. Here action is met and was carrying, it is a particular time. So, when I met Paul, he was carrying a big box. Two actions are going to happen. So, we have used past continuous tense in this sentence. Now, let us discuss about the pattern used in the positive sentences of past continuous tense. As you all know that there are three type of sentences. First is affirmative or positive sentences. Second is negative sentences and the third is interrogative sentences. So first of all, let us discuss about the pattern used, structure or pattern used in the positive sentences. First of all, we use was with subject he, she, it, singular and I. With I, he, she, it and singular we use was plus first form of verb and ing, like he was going to market. And with subject we, you, they and plurals we use were plus first form and ing, like we were playing cricket. Is it clear? With I, he, she, it and singular we always use was plus first form of verb and ing, and with we, you, they and plurals we always use were plus first form plus ing. Is it clear to all of you? Now let us discuss about negative sentences of past continuous tense. In negative sentences, we always use with subject he, she, it and singular and I. We always use was plus not plus first form and ing, like it was not jumping. It was not jumping. He was not playing chess. Is it clear? And with subject we, you, they, and plurals, we always use were plus not plus first form plus ing. Like we were not playing chess. They were not playing cricket. Is it clear to all of you? The pattern used in the negative sentences of past continuous tenses I, he, she, it with subject I, he, she, it. We use was not plus first form plus ing, and with subject we, you, they, and plurals we use were not plus first form plus ing. Is it clear? Now we will discuss about interrogative sentences of past continuous tense. So let us discuss about interrogative sentences of past continuous tense. For example, in interrogative sentences we use was with subject I, he, she, it, and singular plus first form and ing. Is it clear? Question mark is compulsory in these sentences, and with subject we, you, they, and plurals we always use were. At the first place we always use were, then we use subject we, you, they, and plurals. After that we use first form of verb and ing and question mark at last. The pattern used in the interrogative sentences of past continuous tenses was plus I, he, she, it singular plus first form and ing question mark. And with were we use we, you, they, and plurals plus first form plus ing, and it is compulsory to put the sign of question mark in interrogative sentences. Is it clear to all of you? Let's learn the past continuous. Past continuous or past progressive, one and the same thing. We can say past progressive also. The past progressive tense is used to talk about a continuous action that happened at a time in the past. The time of the action may or may not be indicated. The past progressive tense is used to talk about a continuous action that happened at a time in the past. The time of the action may or may not be indicated. Study the table given below. First of all, in positive sentences, I was playing. And in negative, we use I was not playing. And in interrogative sentences, was I playing? Come to the next. He was playing. We use he was playing in positive sentences. And in negative, he was not playing. And in interrogative sentences, was he playing? Similarly, they were playing. And in negative, they were not playing. And in interrogative, were they playing? I think it is clear to all of you.